I would say the problems that gave me the most trouble last month were certainly in trying to get my code to validate. I mean, I was going crazy trying to figure out how to get the different functions to work together, specifically the display data. I had a lot of trouble getting my data to display and then making sure that I was displaying the right information. I was getting a lot of nulls for some of the values, like for instance, the check box values were all turning up null, so I had to refactor that. Um, I also had a lot of issues just with not owning my code, so to speak. I was sort of walking, not that I used anyone else's code, but I just didn't understand it. I couldn't understand its context. All I really could understand was, just follow, connect the dots, so to speak. I didn't understand the context. I didn't understand what it meant, and so I'd have to say now things are certainly very different. That was my first experience with JavaScript, doing it. And so in the 4 or 5 months since I started that class, I've had a lot of time to go and read into different frameworks to get an understanding for it, to get into the trade. So what I do a lot is read. I read a lot now about different code frameworks. I'm always on the internet. I'm always looking through different trade magazines and Appliness on the iPad being my favorite right now, which is how I've been able to overcome that. So my aha moment was really just getting deeply into jQuery mobile and really looking at the framework and looking at the different methods and APIs that jQuery offers and mobile offers and realizing just how much simpler the whole process of writing out a mobile app could be once you have a framework in place and can use a library.